Hello friends, welcome to Destination of Flavors.
Today I will share with you litti chokha and tomato chutney recipe, which is very popular street food in Bihar and eastern UP. So let's check out the recipes. At first, let's see the litti dough preparation method. Take 240 grams whole wheat flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add 3 tablespoons of melted ghee. Mix until breadcrumb texture. Now mix 1/4 cup or 30 ml water gradually and knead to a stiff dough. The dough should be little stiff than regular roti dough. Cover and keep aside for 15 minutes. Let's check out the stuffing preparation for litti. Take 120 grams chana sattu or roasted gram flour in a mixing bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped onions, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped green chilies, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves. Add 2 tablespoons of raw mustard oil or sarson ka tel. One-fourth teaspoon of carom seeds or ajwain, 1/4 teaspoon of kalonji, 1/4 teaspoon of regular salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black salt or kala namak. Add 1 tablespoon of homemade spicy ginger garlic raw mango pickle or any mango pickle. Check my homemade mango pickle recipe in my channel. Mix together very well. If mixture looks dry, then add 2 tablespoons of water. The stuffing mixture should not be too dry or too wet. Finally, add half of lemon juice and mix well. Now litti stuffing is ready and keep aside. Let's check out the chutney and chokha recipes. First take 2 big ripe tomatoes, 2 dry red chilies and 2 big garlic cloves. Discard the upper portion of tomatoes and slit with the help of knife. Insert the garlic cloves into the slitted tomatoes. Now roast the tomatoes on medium flame until soft. Keep aside the roasted tomatoes. Now lightly roast the dry red chilies and keep aside. Now take a medium sized brinjal. Slit and check the brinjal. Now slit slightly all over the brinjal. Four to 5 garlic cloves. Insert the garlic cloves into the slitted portion. Do check my video. It gives a roasted garlicky flavor into the chokha. Now roast on medium flame until soft. And keep aside. Let's check out the tomato chutney recipe. First, peel off the roasted black skin of a tomato. Take out the garlic and roughly chop it. Then pour it into a mixer grinder. And add roasted dry red chilies, add 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and salt to taste. Grind it until smooth texture. Tomato chutney is ready and keep aside. Let's see the chokha preparation. Peel off the roasted black skin of brinjal and tomato very well. Take out the garlic cloves from brinjal. Take a big boiled potato in a mixing bowl and mash it. Now add roasted tomato, roasted garlic cloves and mash well. Then add roasted brinjal and roughly mash. Add salt to taste. Add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 teaspoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves and chopped green chilies as per your choice. Add 1 tablespoon of raw mustard oil or sarson ka tel and finally add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix together very well. Chokha is ready and keep aside. Now let's check out litti recipe. Knead again the rested dough. Make lemon size portions. Take a portion, make a katori shape. Place 2 tablespoons of stuffing mixture press gently. Seal the edges and discard the extra dough. Do check the video. Lightly roll the stuffed dough balls in your palms and keep aside. Make all litti balls followed by same process. Now heat a appam pan and place some of littis on it. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on low flame. After that, flip and cook the other sides of littis. Cover it and cook for another 5 minutes on low flame. Now again flip the littis. And cook with cover for another 2 to 3 minutes. Now switch off the flame. In the meantime, place the remaining litti balls into the preheated air fryer. Bake on 160° temperature for 10 minutes and then bake on 180° temperature for another 10 minutes. Air fried littis is ready. Now take out 2 types of littis into the plate. Crack the hot littis. You can see from the video how nicely the littis are made. That's why it is getting cracked easily, even it will last for long. Now before serve, add ghee inside the cracked littis. Hot littis always been served with chutney and chokha, pickled green chilies. So enjoy littis at home and share your feedback in comments. If you like my recipes, don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Till then, stay safe, eat healthy. Bye bye.